Hello and welcome to another exciting scheme tutorial. Yay! Okay, so in the first tutorial we dealt mostly with integers. There are other data types that we'll be dealing with in this tutorial. The first one is string. The second one is symbol, and the third one is the Boolean, which can either be equal to true or false. Now, I'll talk about the difference between strings and symbols. Well, they're essentially interchangeable, but in my opinion, strings are a bit more natural. You see, with symbols, if you want to create a symbol that has more than one word in it, you have to enclose it with these ugly-looking vertical lines. Yeah, which I don't really like. What's a bit more natural is the string representation, which you just enclose in quotation marks, which feels a bit more natural. And you can see the output of that here: string, string, symbol, symbol. Yeah, you may notice there's no apostrophe here, so it does look a bit cleaner sometimes if you're only dealing with one word. True, true, false, false, and these two things. Okay, so we'll deal with the Booleans. With Booleans, there are a few different functions which output Booleans, such as greater than, which will be equal to true. Actually, I'll do this in the interactions window. Yeah, okay, so greater than for 2. We're using the standard scheme function calling, with the function name in the beginning and the parameters next to it. That's equal to true. Oh yeah, it's complaining about that. And there's also less than. And the one that we'll be dealing with in this tutorial, even. Okay, so what we're going to do is define a function is even, which pretty much just does the same thing that even does. In fact, that is what it does. It does exactly what even does. Okay, and we'll try it out. Is even 4. Huh. Oh, forgot the question mark. Okay, so you see it works pretty well. And that's all well and good, but if you're just going to echo another function, that's not really that useful. What I want to introduce you to is the condition statement. It's exactly what it sounds like. It will check if a condition is met, and then it will execute the code assigned to that condition. Okay, so this is how it works. You call the cond statement, the cond function, and these things that I am putting in square brackets are the conditions and the code to execute with this under those conditions. Okay, so let's just say 4 is greater than 2. Output whoopee or something, I don't know. And otherwise else, and it will read these. It will check these in order. Else, I don't know, derp, and of course it will output whoopee, the symbol. Okay, so that's good. So we're going to use this even function in a condition statement. Okay, so we'll define a new function. We'll call it check num, and we'll check to see if it's even or if the number we pass is even or odd. Check num. A. And we'll define a condition statement. It will have two conditions, if it's one if it's even and one if it's odd. And we can put them on separate lines if we want. Okay, so even A, then output the symbol called even. Odd A, then output the symbol odd. Okay, so we'll just pass in some numbers. Check num4, even, of course. Check num5. Okay, so it works perfectly. Now, this is very useful, but it doesn't demonstrate the true power of condition statements. So in the next tutorial, I'll be talking about your best friend in Scheme, recursive programming. Okay, goodbye.